See, there are so many exceptions to when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Okay. And is she agreeing to do that? Okay.
So if y'all want a good time, show up.
Yeah, I'm gonna show up. Just if I'm still here, I'm gonna show up just to watch. Be like, what? She was serious. All right. Is there anyone here who's ready, whose client is on bond? All right. So we're just waiting for the deputies to bring them out, then we'll take the matters up. Mhm. Okay. All right. I'll take it up. I'll need someone to do an announcement in the hallway. All right, is there anyone here who has a client that is on bond that is ready?
Mr. Barfield, I still have to swear him in, though, after that, he's ready to go.
All right,
I just need a deputy that will take his signature.
okay. Norma, can you see if they're downstairs? The deputies?
My client's on bond, but he hasn't been sworn in yet.
I understand, sir, I asked for one of the deputies to fingerprint him, so I can swear him in.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, yeah, my client's on.
Okay,
Which is your,
Sorry?
which one is your deputy?
Eric Trevino.
Okay.
I gave you the paperwork.
I don't know where you have to go. I'll think it's one in just a moment.
all right, thank you.
Jennifer should be.
This has to be the first time the attorney said they will be back at 1:30 and they're actually here. I mean, so everybody's in a state of shock. And Norma, Mr. Engelkey's person is here. He's right there. You're Mr. Patterson, right? All right, thank you. Yes. Okay. Jessica Landrum, if you come forward, please. All right. So with regards to your community service hours, why are you unable to complete those?
I lost my ID and I have to get another copy of it. I'm waiting on the ID to be sent to me right now. So probably within like the next week or two, I can get that. But just in the middle of moving, I lost the paperwork and without some kind of verification of who I am, you know.
So just FYI, at any of our offices, you can get a card print out for you.
Oh,
It has your picture on there. It does say Bear County probation, but it's at least a card and it has
So-
your date of birth.
Okay, so that'll work.
All right. So you need to get the community service hours done.
Yes, ma'am.
You are set to expire today,
Mhm.
so you're gonna get extended.
Okay.
And let's extend her 6 months. Will that give her enough time to do everything?
No, that'll be more than enough time.
Is there anything else? Ms. Abrams?
Other than the fines, I don't think the CSO had any other issues, Judge.
All right. Are you able to pay the fines?
Currently, I was out of work for almost a year due to some pretty bad health problems. I know she sent in all my medical paperwork. I was dealing with the cancer center. But they had me on bed rest for 6 months before my surgery.
Okay.
And they're still testing to see why my cancer counts are so high in my blood. We're not sure why.
Okay.
So yeah, just been a lot of medical issues.
All right. So this is what we'll do. We'll extend you 6 months and she's to get her community service hours done. So my understanding is you owe 180 hours of community service restitution.
Mhm.
So you think you'll be able to get those done in 6 months or do you?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Is there anything else, Ms. Abrams?
No, Judge.
All right. So we're going to extend you 6 months.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what, if you complete the community service hours before that 6 months are up, you can always come back and ask to be terminated early.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
Okay. Hi. Oh, you can have a seat. What's, oh,
okay.
just wait till they finish passing by.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, Moses Martinez. All right, court is calling 2020 CR 7235, State of Texas versus Moses Albert Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason, give a hand, Your Honor.
Defense?
Tilden Schaefer.
Are you Moses Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Haven't I did, Your Honor?
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, I'm showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment? State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding on count 1 and 3 alone, leaving count 2, 4, 5, 6, and also the enhancement paragraphs.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
And count two, you all have that listed as a first degree or second degree?
Going with count 1 and 3. And those-
Oh, count
those-
three.
that's
Okay.
what we skip, it's with intent.
They're
and
both
it
first
just says
degrees.
first degrees.
Oh, yes. Okay. I thought you all were, my mistake. I thought you were going on count two. That's why I was like,
I purposely-
second degree?
Yeah.
What? Okay. All right. If you all can do one thing for me then, so it can be clear. If for this part, you all will add the count three.
Okay.
The offense for the count three.
But it's the same.
Same office.
No, oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Put times two.
Drugs, yeah.
No, no.
The same offense, just different drugs. They're both schedule
One's
one.
heroin, one's meth.
No, count three. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong, this is a different indictment that's in the file. No wonder that's throwing me off.
That's something.
Oh, yeah, this.
Yeah, that's completely different. Okay.
Oh, there it is, the missing indictment.
Yeah, I was just like,
Wow.
yes, it was in this file. So,
No objection to getting rid of that indictment in my client's file, Judge.
all right. No wonder, because I was like, this isn't reading right.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was in this
I
file.
almost passed out, Judge.
Okay.
Wow. It's like it's-
Because I was like, this is a burglary. What is this? Okay. All right, now I see. So this is the proper indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and do counsel, you waive the reading of the indictment?
Still.
All right, and state you're going on counts one and counts three,
Yes, Your Honor, 1 and 3.
and you're waiving 2, 4, 5, 6, and the enhancement, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No.
Going to show you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in counts 1 and 3, you're charged with the offense of possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. That's a first degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
You believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, and he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1 and 3. Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,500 fine. State opposes your application for community supervision. They will take in consideration NITMAC number 751468 with the corresponding JN number 2165970. And there's to be restitution for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Defense?
That's right.
State?
It is-
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then how do you plead to count 1,
Guilty.
count 2?
Or three. Count
I'm sorry, 3.
Guilty.
Okay. So to count 1 and count 3, you enter a plea of guilty, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
State any evidence to support the plea?
Yes.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
State you may continue to confer. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am, I
Did
did.
you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after viewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty of count 1 and count 3. All right, what date are we bringing this back? May 8th, you know that's Wednesday.
I think it is Wednesday.
Are you, May 7th?
Yes.
All right, we'll come back on May 7th. I'm going to set this for a PSI and a TAP evaluation. And what will end up happening is I'll base my decision on your application based upon the PSI and the TAP evaluation and any other information that's submitted.
And then Judge, when he was arrested on the new case that's being taken into consideration, his plea deal, he was taken into custody on the February 15th, and he's been in custody ever since. So I just need it. I think we need a bond set, but more importantly, I want to make sure, given the nature of the plea agreement, that we're, for the record, noting he's been in custody on with this.
Oh, depending
warrant.
on what happens, if I decide to sentence him to prison time, he'll receive credit for that time.
Wanted that.
Yes.
But-
And I'm not saying that I am going to send you to prison, but if that were to happen, you will receive credit for that time because you've been in custody. And if there's any bond that needs to be made on the other cases,
It's this case. It's the
this
only one.
case,
He had a failure to appear judge, and so there's an outstanding warrant. For some reason, the jail has not acted on the warrant, which is why he got arrested in the first.
all right. Well, since he failed to appear, you all will have to set a hearing and then I'll make a decision on bond.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else?
No.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Are the parties here on Kendrick Williams? Court is calling 2019 CR 1470, State of Texas versus Kendrick Paranel Williams. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar, for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Nathan Slemane.
Are you Mr. Williams?
I am.
Showing you what's entitled motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
Are you the same Kendrick Williams who was placed on community supervision in 2019 CR 1470 for the offense of burglary of habitation on October 2nd, 2019 for a term of 8 years. Is that you?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Kendrick Paradell Williams did then and there failed to report the supervision officer as directed for the months of April, May, and December 2023, January 2024, in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, the state waives all the violations.
Any objection?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 8 years in the prison and a $1,500 fine?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
That is correct, Your Honor. True.
Do you wish to plead true to number 4, knowing that? That's yes or no?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, the proposed agreement is for the defendant to enter into the safety relapse program.
All right, and are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, I am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, I am.
All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Kendrick Purnell Williams.
All right, so Mr. Williams, what is going on with you? Why are you not being successful? Because this is not the first time you've been brought back here. What's going on in your life?
I have had mental breakdowns.
Mhm.
I'm not proud of my drug addiction. I just had setbacks, tried to get correct and be successful. But I'm here in front of you, accepting my wrongdoings and being a man about it and asking for help.
All right, but this is what I don't understand. You didn't show up, so you've been missing. Why don't you pick up the phone and call probation and say, I'm going through some things?
May I say something, Your Honor?
Sure.
I did. I don't know if it was recorded or not, but I thought I was calling the right numbers. Miss Mendez, my PO. I was in the San Antonio Behavior Center through those procedures. I was as well in lifetime recovery. I have to accept my wrongdoings as a man.
All right, so here's my thing. Did the probation you thought you were calling, did they respond to you?
No, they didn't. I was at Haven Pro Hope.
All right, so here's the thing. If you call probation and they don't respond to you, what do I always say? If you have an issue and you call probation and you feel as though they're not responding or they're not addressing your issues, you can always come to court. We're here Monday through Friday. Why didn't you do that?
I was confused, but that doesn't make no excuse.
All right. Probation,
Yes, Judge.
what are you suggesting with Mr. Williams?
Judge, at this point,
Because I ordered him for drug court and I also ordered him for safety special needs if he didn't
yes, Judge.
make it in felony drug court.
He completed, so he was not eligible for DDRF. We tried to get him there. He did complete 277 days with Safe P. He spent 48 days in the residential aftercare with Safe P. He was discharged unsuccessfully from drug court. We reached out to drug court to see if they would accept him back, and they said no, not at this time.
So why was he discharged from felony drug court?
From my understanding, Judge, it was drug use and his behavior
Okay.
was combative.
I don't know if this is gonna work for him.
All I can say, Judge, is I was reading the notes. I believe that in addition to lifetime recovery and also ITP at Haven for Hope, Mr. Williams also self-admitted himself to the program at Salvation Army, is that correct?
I did.
Okay, so I think it's apparent that what we're dealing with, Your Honor, is a situation where we have an individual who is not only suffering from apparently an untreated, unmanaged mental illness, but more importantly, a drug addiction that is, whether it's more powerful than he can handle, or he gets relief for his mental health issues from that drug use. I don't know. But what is apparent is that every opportunity for help that's been offered to this gentleman, he's taken full advantage of, with the potential exception of jail court. I know at least part of the reason why they won't accept him back is that they're at capacity right now. But this is an individual who is not in front of you because he's committed any new offense. He's here because he is struggling without a home, without adequate care for his mental issues, and with a serious drug addiction. And even among all that, even dealing with all that, he's still admitting himself to treatment through Salvation Army, what he can do. So Judge, he did successfully complete Safe P once. There is a relapse program. I would argue there's a relapse program because for a reason, sometimes that is necessary. I would hope that it could be effective in Mr. Williams' case. And I think it would be a minimal burden to take a chance on him to at least see if we can give one more shot at recovery, especially considering the fact that we're not here for any new offense.
All right, anything else you wish to say, Mr. Williams?
Yes, ma'am. As of August of last year, I did complete lifetime recovery.
All right. So I'm going to give you a choice because sometimes I can give people choices. Sometimes I cannot give people choices. It appears that there's really no place to help you, right? And the reason why I say that is because you were placed in felony drug court. Then there was an issue. And then you've done safety. Then you've done Haven for Hope. And I have all this written on the docket sheet where I've done my best to address whatever issues you have, and hopefully you can go forth and be a productive member of society. So I can continue, place you in relapse safety program, or I can sentence you to 3 years. And you'll receive credit for the inpatient treatment time that you've done. So those are your two choices.
May I have a moment with him?
Sure. If y'all want to step back.
Thank you.
Sebastian Delgado. Who's the attorney for Sebastian Delgado? Just have a seat. We'll get with you. David Bearfield. Court is calling 2023 CR 8382, State of Texas versus David Bearfield. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Stephen Harkowitz for Mr. Bearfield.
And are you Mr. Bearfield?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Bearfield, I'm showing you what's entitled application for deferred adjudication or community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding with the lesser included crime of possession less than 1 gram. State trial.
All right, and it's a penalty group 1?
Yes, sorry.
Okay. Any objection?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate
Yes, ma'am.
places? Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram?
Yes,
That's a
ma'am.
state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bearfield, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. There's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution to SAPD for drug testing. They're taking in consideration County Court cause number 707-516. Did you understand that to be the plea?
You said restitution. How much is? It's like $60. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Okay.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Defense,
Yes, Your Honor.
state,
It is, Your Honor.
showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all its attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, state, you may continue to confirm. Mr. Bearfield, I'm show you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent?
yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would just ask the court to follow the agreement with this
Okay.
and grant Mr. Bearfield deferred adjudication.
All right. Are you employed?
not at the moment now.
So how do you support yourself?
I haven't because I gotta have surgery on my back.
So how are you supporting yourself?
Well, Well, I had some extra cash already, so that's how that worked. And then, I have my social security.
What do you receive social security for?
That was from my surgery.
Who do you live with?
With my sister,
How many children are in that household?
just one.
Age?
Doodlebug is, um, he's 10.
Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How many?
Has a 4, and then one passed away.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are their ages?
14, 25, and the other one will be 6 years old. The one passed away. And then my other one is he's 30, and I have one 31.
Okay. All right. So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
We should be clear.
Well, why do you say should be? What have you used in the past?
Not saying.
Well, when you were arrested, you had drugs on you. So what have you used in the past?
Nothing. But
So you
bank-
just walking around with cocaine?
No.
Well, according to the police report, you were searched incident to arrest in a clear bag containing a white substance. The bag was found inside the small pocket watch above the right side jean pocket. And that's why we're here today.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you doing with cocaine if you don't use cocaine?
No, I was just at the club. So it's not a often use. It's just I was partying.
All right, so you've used cocaine in the past?
Yeah, in the past.
Okay, why are we playing word salad?
No,
So I'm trying to
sorry,
figure
man.
out, no. I'm trying to figure out what conditions to give you, because you know what? I could send you out into the world with you saying, I don't have a drug problem. And then when you test positive, I will see on the docket sheet that you told me that you didn't have a drug problem.
Yes, ma'am.
So alcohol, cocaine, what else?
That's it.
So you never used marijuana?
No, not in a while.
All right, so that means, yes, you've used marijuana before.
Long time ago.
Okay. What are the drugs besides cocaine,
That's it.
marijuana, alcohol?
That's it.
All right, this is what I'm gonna do. 3 years deferred adjudication. UA hotline. 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Restitution to SAPD for drug testing. Proof of employment or SSI within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. No unsupervised contact with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Field visits. 1 time per month for 3 months. And then at probation's discretion. $200 of community service restitution. I'm gonna require parenting classes. How far did you go in school?
I went to 11th grade. Then I went and got my GED.
All right, I'm gonna want parenting classes. Once he completes parenting classes, 100 hours of community service will be waived. And you're either going to get a certificate from some type of trade school or either a degree. And once he obtains that, the remainder 100 community service hours will be waived.
This one.
And there's to be no contact with A's Up Sports Lounge located at 5520 West Military Drive. And that's 78242. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
That's A, that's an apple.
Yes.
That's what else.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, you're mumbling.
I said, no, ma'am.
All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Take care.
You're welcome. Mr. Williams, you all ready?
That's the misdemeanor.
We're gonna go back on the record in 2019 CR 1470, State of Texas versus Kendrick Williams. All right, Mr. Williams, have you had a chance to confer with your attorney?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
All right, which would you prefer?
The opportunity that you're giving me.
All right, so
Which one is that? She gave you a choice.
3 years.
which would you prefer?
3 years.
All right. So the court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will grant the motion, revoke, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. Give him credit for any time and give you credit for any time for successful completion of inpatient treatment. If you'll make sure the clerk has those numbers.
I'll do that, Judge.
All right, and Mr. Williams, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
All right. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I have.
All right, because I followed your agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I.
And if you would like, I could request that you be referred to the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community doesn't increase your time at the prison. However, they will help you if you're accepted. Would you like that?
Yes, I will.
All right, so we'll do the therapeutic community. All right. Yes.
I just, because I'm with the Center of Healthcare Service, like for my mental health, could I get help and assistance with that also?
Well, I'll put on here mental health as well,
Thank you, Judge.
and we can go off the record. When you're released from prison, because you're going to leave from here to the prison, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Need to immediately get in touch with the Center for Healthcare Services. But the way the prison operates now, they should set you up so that you can be on your medications
Yes.
and get help, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If for any reason that doesn't happen or something goes wrong and you can't find your way, if I'm still here, as I always say, God willing, the creek don't rise,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can come back here and I'll see what facilities I can direct you to.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. Okay.
Thank you. I'll keep patience in my pocket.
Oh, yeah, you need to do that. That's
ma'am.
good. I'm
Thank you.
sorry there wasn't anything more we could do.
Well, God's watching. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right. Good luck to you.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Judge.
You're welcome. Yes. Just one moment. I'm calling them in order of appearance. Okay, so you're on the list.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Sebastian Delgado. Is the attorney here for Sebastian Delgado? All right. All right. Sebastian Delgado, come forward. All right, so my understanding, you've been accepted into the PTD program. Here's the thing, you're gonna get a reset form and you need to be here and be on time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
remember you now. You're the person who would never talk. Now you've learned how to talk. I appreciate that.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, 30 days. All right, so you're gonna be back here on April 30th. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good. I'm glad you're speaking up. Wait a second. She's gonna give you a reset form, then you're excused. Okay. Follow through. All right, Eric Trevino. And then after Trevino, it will be Patterson, Ramirez, and then Gonzalez. Court is calling 2024 CR 2667, State of Texas versus Eric James Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? Are you Mr. Trevino?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Trevino, I'm going to show you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes.
Mr. Trevino, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes,
Did
Your
you
Honor.
understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you're charged with tampering with evidence? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Trevino, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. This is run concurrent with cases involved Verde County, case number X20230349CR and County Court cause number in Bear County 7186694. There's an X marked for something to be taken in consideration. All right. So you understand that there is nothing being taken in consideration?
Yes, Your Honor.
And there's an agreed protective order and Bear County case number 7186694 with Crystal Falco. Did you understand that to be the plea?
I already found out about the protective order, but yes, I
It
understand.
hasn't been signed.
All right, but you understand that to be the plea? All right, defense, is that the plea?
Yes.
State?
Yes, sir.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions? Showing you outside the agreement, state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation 100 hours, 120 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Crystal Falco. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
Guilty. No contest, sorry. Sorry, Your Honor.
State any evidence?
See, offer states exhibit one and all time.
objections, Your Honor.
All right, you may continue. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Trevino, if you're drug tested today, what will the results be?
I'm clean.
All right, when's the last time you used marijuana?
I never smoked. I smoked marijuana, but it wasn't my thing. Maybe about a year ago.
Okay, so people keep telling me these things. So I read the police report. In the police report, it starts off with an accident. And then it turns into, you just say, tell the officer you only have cough drops. We're not here for the cough drops. We're here for the tampering with evidence, which would be the marijuana. So how often were you using marijuana?
Rare.
So you just happen to have it that
It was
day.
her marijuana, but I took the blame. It was her vehicle. I was the only person in the vehicle.
Well, obviously you knew marijuana was there, right?
Yes, I was aware of it.
All right. And who's the other person you're saying this had been in this vehicle?
It was Crystal Falco's vehicle.
All right, so I'm gonna send you off in the world. You're telling me you don't have a drug problem, so you had better not test positive
I
in
won't.
this court. You understand?
I promise you.
All right, are you employed?
Yes.
What do you do?
I'm an apprentice electrician and I'm
Okay.
going to school for my journeyman's.
All right, court is gonna sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine. That'll be probated. Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one under my roof. She's 19 months old. And 2 in Del Rio,
And what are their ages?
16 and 4.
And you say one under your roof. Are you the sole
I have
caretaker of them?
temporary custody of her and I'm going for custody.
Okay, why do you have temporary custody?
The mom picked up some mental issues after the pregnancy, and she left we separated and she lost the baby 3 times at the airport in Denver and twice in Dallas. So I got custody of the baby. CPS got involved, so I had to hire a lawyer for all that.
And who's with the baby now?
I have the baby, but right now she's with the babysitter.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, who has her now? She's not here in
I
court.
have custody
No, she's
she's
not
the
here in
babysitter.
court.
with my babysitter,
And who's the babysitter?
Myra. They're my neighbors.
Okay. All right, court is sentencing you, as previously stated, 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. concurrent with the case in Valverde County, case number X20230349 CR, and Bear County cause number 718694, CPS compliance, if applicable. What is that case out of Valverde County?
What kind of case?
Controlled substance,
Yeah. Controlled substance of what?
cocaine.
All right, so we got cocaine, we got marijuana, and I'm assuming he's gonna say he doesn't use any of it.
Answer that question.
So we're back to you. That Valverde County cause number, have you already pled to that?
Yes, I had to defer to, I'm on probation for it right now.
All right, so was that somebody else's cocaine?
It wasn't in my possession, it was in the vehicle I was driving as well.
And whose vehicle was that?
It was my parents' vehicle, but it was me.
So are
and
your
my ex.
parents using
No,
cocaine?
the person I was with told the cop that there was cocaine in the vehicle when I wasn't aware of it. But since I was driving the vehicle,
And who is this person?
my ex, one of my ex, the mom,
Which one would this be?
my kid's mom, the mom,
What's her name?
Celeste Salazar.
All right. So it appears that everybody you date uses drugs. What's the common denominator in all of this?
Everybody,
You?
I used to use drugs, but I'm no longer.
See how we keep jumping around here, Mrs. Sekawanowicz? We're gonna do the UA hotline. And I'm sorry, probation, you're all gonna have to do field visits monthly to check on this 19-month-old. And that's until further notice. And we're gonna do 60 sober meetings in 60 days. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's be no employment as a home health care provider with minors. And if CPS didn't make him do parenting classes, I want parenting classes.
CPS wasn't involved with me, Your Honor.
You're doing parenting classes.
Better we'd ask for, we'd ask for the parenting classes in lieu of the community service.
Sure. So once he completes parenting classes, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's an agreed protective order in County Court 7718694 with Crystal Falco. And I'm sorry, what's the name of the other person who left drugs in your car, told somebody there was drugs in the car?
Celeste Salazar.
There's to be no contact with Celeste Salazar. And it goes without saying, no contact with Crystal Falco. And TAP evaluation out of custody. Probation, is there anything else?
Any community service?
120.
That's all.
Anything else you need from the court?
Hey, Your Honor, I was gonna ask you, I have some tools at her house that I left behind before we got separated, me and Crystal Falco.
Mhm.
How can, it's over $1,000 in tools that I need for work.
I suggest you pick up the phone, call the police and say that you have tools and there's a protective order. And maybe they will escort you over there to have your items. Otherwise, you'll have to get an attorney.
Okay.
But you are not to go to her house.
I don't bother her no more.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. You better be on the straight and narrow. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Frank Patterson. Thank you. My mom has seen you twice in a day.
Gonna get spoiled.
All right, what's happening?
Mr. Patterson is a veteran. I'd like to get him reset for some time for him to investigate felony veterans treatment court.
All right. Just one moment. Excuse me, Miss Abrams. Could you see if Veterans Treatment Court could come down? All right. Just have a seat. Veterans Treatment's gonna come down and then they'll give me some idea when to reset this. All right, thank you. Daniel Ramirez.
Come on up, sir.
He just stepped out. He knew we were being called. He just stepped out. I'm sure.
All right, just give us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Nicholas Paul Gonzalez. All right, court is calling 2019 CR 11182, State of Texas versus Nicholas Paul Gonzalez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Jonathan off the defense, Your Honor.
And are you Nicholas Paul Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to show you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of, motion to revoke community supervision and first amended motion to revoke community supervision. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Nicholas Paul Gonzalez who's placed on community supervision in 2019 CR 11182 for the offense of harassment of public servant on June 12, 2020 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 1, on or about the 4th day of March 2024, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Nicholas Paul Gonzalez committed the offense of possession, controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 gram in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State.
What way is it violated condition, Your Honor?
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 5 years in prison and a $500 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, extend the individual for 2 years and amend his conditions to include safe P with aftercare. Or I'm sorry, safe P. Your Honor.
That is the agreement with the defense round.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, as well as dismissal of the 2 outstanding cases.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Your Honor. There also is 2 cases being taken into consideration.
Okay.
That is County Court case number 8 and cause number 716-906. Then also the possession of the controlled substance that he just pled true to, which is Night Mag 754-269.
All right. All right, Mr. Gonzalez, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it appears that you've been here before me, and this is not the first time. I don't know if probation is right for you, right? Sometimes we can only do what we can do. And it appears that you've been before the court on more than one occasion. So I'm going to give you a choice. I can sentence you to 3 years in the prison, or either I will continue you and extend you.
Yeah, I wanna go to St. P. This sounds good to me.
All right, I'll deny the motion, alter amend conditions to include safe P. And let's do safe P followed by drug court. And you're going to remain in custody until safe P transports you. Then once you completed safe P, you'll go into felony drug court if they accept you. taking consideration 716-906 and night mag number 754-269. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Nothing further.
Probation, is there anything else he needs? Thank you. We're going to extend him for 2 years. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, I appreciate you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you, Rob.
All right, what is happening with Mr. Yanes, Sebastian Yanes? Can I see a file? So when is he supposed to be back? And could I see the file on Tyrone Eds? All right, what is happening with this case? Okay. All right, do you have an update on him? No, I mean his attorney.
Oh.
Yeah. Mr. Eds, come on down. Your attorney is out ill, so we're gonna bring you back on April 15th.
Okay.
All right, and if he wants you brought sooner, he'll request you sooner, but he's out ill. That's why he's not here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
I don't think you're doing that. Wow.
All right, so who is the other attorney that stepped outside for Mr. Ramirez?
It's Jonathan Chavez for Joe Holster. I just sent a message right now that you're ready for it, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And then what's the update on Mr. Patterson in VTC? Okay. And then Juan Garcia? Is he a fugitive also on the 2024 case? All right, could I see the files on Juan Garcia? All right, State,
Yes, Judge.
on Juan Garcia, he's actually been sentenced to prison time in federal.
Juan Garcia?
Mm-hmm. He is on our docket for theft on page 9.
Okay.
And I have the last notation that he was sentenced to 3 years in the feds. So I don't know if something was to happen with these two cases or not.
Is he here or is he in federal custody?
Oh, it says that he's in federal custody.
Let me check and see, Judge, if we have any notes on it.
All right, because I have that he was sentenced on February 20th. And so we recalled it back today.
Okay,
But what I'll do is I'll have it recalled for the 15th of April.
okay, Judge.
I know we need to like chirpy them up, right? All right. So Norma Juan Garcia is coming back on April 15th. And then Ramirez. All right. So what is happening with this case? Because today is the plea deadline date.
Yes, we made we made a deal with the state, Your Honor. He's gonna be pleading on a misdemeanor case in exchange for and taking a TIC on this case.
Okay, when is that happening?
Your Honor, it's out of County Court 8. I just stepped across the hall to see if County Court 8 to do a plea today. There's no one there. I was gonna stop back here after this actually to try to see if I could get a date here in the next couple days to do the
Okay.
plea.
All right, so Norma, on this case, we're gonna recall this.
And actually, we actually do have a court setting already on the 28th in that court.
Oh, on March 28th?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so Norma, we'll recall this on March 28th. But I'll make a notation on the docket sheet that you're not gonna be here first, you'll be there first.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Remember that.
I thought it might help.
Okay.
Thanks, Your
All
Honor.
right, once you get the reset form, you're excused.
Thanks a lot, Your Honor.
All
Have a
right,
good
you're welcome.
afternoon.
You too. All right, and then are they still talking on that Veterans Treatment Court?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so let me see, what does that leave us with? Matthew Rodriguez. Norma, do you have the VR report on Matthew Rodriguez? Mm-hmm. Because that's the last one we have, that one and Mr. Patterson. He's on the recall docket. Yes. No, I don't have it. And we don't have a docket for tomorrow, do we? No. All right, so everyone, we don't have a docket for tomorrow. So I always think maybe tomorrow is a chance for everybody to exhale. And I tell people, don't feel guilty about exhaling. But that means that we'll have a heavy docket on Thursday. Yeah.
It's the prep.
Yeah, it is the prep.
For the storm.
It is, and we're gearing up for our next jury trial.
Exactly.
All right, hi. So my understanding, Mr. Patterson is going to probably end up being reset.
Yes.
All right, so where are we on Mr. Patterson?
Stuff for the Veterans Treatment Court folks, and I think they have something to say.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon.
I apologize. I was with you earlier today.
Oh, no problem.
Dressed appropriately. I've spoken with the veteran here. He is currently pulling up DD 214. However, I did look through his My Healthy Vet, which is an online source that the VA gives access to the veterans.
Mhm.
If he gives me a letter of interest, which we've talked about, I'm gonna schedule him in the next couple weeks to get assessed, because I have spots open.
Okay,
And within 30 days at the max, I'll have an answer for you.
all right. So if we recall this for April 30th, he should be in.
Roger that, man.
Okay, all right, Ms. Ferguson, on Patterson, if you recall this for April 30th, thank you for your service. Which branch?
Army.
Okay. You know, for some reason, I don't know why, but I know I don't know how you refer to them as, but I know the song for every branch of the military. How I learned that from watching movies.
It will come out. It will come out.
Yeah. All right. We're not going to say which one has the best.
I will stay away from that too, Your Honor.
But I will tell you, I cannot follow the rhythm of the Air Force thing. You know, it starts off like, oh,
Yeah.
off into the wild blue yonder. And then it's sort of like,
That's probably the way it's sung too.
yeah. So you'll be back on April 30th. Make sure you stay in contact with them. And if all goes well, you'll be in the Veterans Treatment Court. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right. Thank you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Yes. Yes. All right. Thank you.
Think, Judge, we're good?
Norma, do we have anything else? Oh, yep. We're done. Oh. All right. I'll see you guys on Thursday.